Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Well, coming soon to a YouTube channel near you, we're going to fly glow. A friend of mine sent me a couple engines. He keeps talking about how much fun it is to fly glow. So this fall, once I can get a hold of an ARF, we're going to fly a little glow. And we'll do it all together. I just want to say hi. Thank you guys. Until next time, you'll see me here. If you want to win this jet, all you have to do is subscribe, click the notification bell, and the like button. Then check back with me from time to time and see my new videos. Once we get to 1,000, we're going to do a drawing. I had a drawing at 100 and only 30% signed up. With those odds, it could be a 1 in 300 chance. Subscribe. Check me out, guys.